Applications are open for our SLAM short-term study abroad program, The Management and Culture of English Soccer. For this 3-credit program, students will travel to London, England over spring break to examine the management of soccer in British society. While in London, students will be fully immersed in the global and local complexities of the UK soccer industry. The program will feature formal lectures delivered by primary trip leaders, as well as some prominent guest scholars from UK universities in the field of global sport culture, management, marketing, and media. We'll also have the opportunity to meet with executives who outline the workings of the UK soccer industry and the ways in which global and local forces intersect in and through the organization and structure of UK soccer. These organizations include Fulham Football Club, Crystal Palace Football Club, Sport England, and UK Sport. We'll also have the opportunity for some field visits to globally prominent UK sport enterprises and facilities such as London Olympic Park, London Olympic Stadium, Tottenham Hotspur's brand new stadium, Craven Cottage, and Brentford's new stadium as well. And finally, students will have the opportunity to attend live English Premier League matches, FAWSL games, and international friendlies throughout the program. Now, students enrolled in this program will receive 3 credits toward their Global Miami plan. They can elect to choose either to enroll in SLM 448, Global Sport Perspectives, or SLM 414, Event and Facility Management and Sport. This program will be valuable for SLAM students who need to fulfill their sport leadership core, that's where 448 fits in, or their sport management concentration, that's where 414 satisfies that requirement. The program fee is $2,200, and this fee includes accommodations, meals, site visits, excursions, and sport event tickets. Students will also be responsible for their own airfare in the range of about $1,000 and tuition per credit, which can vary based on a student's in-state or out-of-state status. Scholarships are available through Global Initiatives, EHS, and the Department of Sport Leadership and Management. Now, admission to the program is rolling. That means applications will be reviewed in the order in which they're received. The final application deadline is December 15th. We encourage all students who are interested in the program to at least submit an application. It's a risk-free application process. If a student decides at a later date that they are no longer able or willing to attend the program, you can withdraw your application up into the commitment deadline. If you're at all interested in this program, we encourage you to submit an application to at least declare your interest. For more information and to apply, please visit Miami University's Global Initiatives website and search Sport in London. Or if you have specific questions, you can email me, Dr. Adam Beisel, at the email below.